Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to talk to other country in OmeTV. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is head on over to OmeTV. And now, before we start, we can change the country here. So I'm in Australia. If I want to speak to more Australians, I'm going to keep that to Australia. But if I go ahead and click the button, we've got to choose all these different countries. So if I want to go ahead and talk to more people from France, I'll click France, Romania, etc. But there's also another way to do this, and that's by downloading a extension. So you want to do a free VPN for Chrome. So just type that in your Google web browser. And here it is here, free VPN for Chrome. So this one, time recording, it's got 4.6 stars and over 30,000 ratings, and also over 10 million users. So what we want to do here is go ahead and click on add to Chrome, and then that's going to add it to your extension list here. And now in order to use it, go ahead, simply open it up. And then if we just change the country here, we can change our location as well inside the VPN. So if I want to speak to people in Singapore, I'll go ahead and start the Singapore VPN and then go back to Chrome, OneMTV, refresh, and then I'll be speaking to more people from that location.